Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. On this video I'm gonna show you these little AC knobs that I found on eBay. They were $10. They look like it's good material. It doesn't look like it's like those cheap materials, you know, that they're not gonna really look good. This one's right here, we can replace it for the ones right here, for the three we have over here. And I'm just gonna show you how simple it is just to get the old knobs out. Just use some pliers, get them out. I'm using this piece of rag or whatever just so I don't damage the other ones. Do the same with the other one. Just get them out. Just push them out. And now we're going to put the new ones. It looks so cool. Wow. I want to see how they look. They look really cool. This is like the simple installation ever. It's not gonna take more than 5 minutes to do it. And for what I've seen, well, this thing looks really cool. Now I'm about to hold on. Okay, as you can see, they look really cool. I mean, I was thinking if I should buy them or not, just because I never really thought they were gonna look cool. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks really cool. I mean, that's even better, you know, than the stock ones. Wow, that looks nice. You can really see the center one, but it kind of has like an orange color. And oh my god, these things look really cool. Well, anyways, if you want these ones, you can get it from eBay. They're about I believe I pay about $15 for it. And I'm amazed with this thing. They look really amazing. Just comparison of the other ones. This look really good. Wow, I really like the way they look. So this is all for the video. I'm going to send the links, you know, for whoever, you know, requests the link. Like I told you, just if you just want to go to eBay, just type in, you know, Jetta mk4 AC knobs, and you should be able to find them. Like I told you, it's about $16, and they look really amazing. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you.